Here I have a piece of paper. Seems pretty boring, right? But what about if I fold it in half? Then fold it in half again. And fold it in half again. And again. And again. And again. Obviously they'll reach a point where I can no longer fold it in half, as it becomes too thick and rock hard. But let's suppose for a moment that I could keep folding it indefinitely. What happens in this scenario? Okay, to do this, let's take the thickness of a piece of paper to be 0.1 millimeters and see what happens. The paper doubles in thickness each time, and so after 14 folds, the stack will be over 1 meter tall, and by 15, it'll be taller than most people. At 23 folds, it will be the height of the Burj Khalifa, and by 24 folds, it will be over 1 mile tall. Then, after 40 folds, it's tall enough to reach outer space, and by 42 folds, it will be thick enough to reach the moon. To reach the end of our solar system, fold it 67 times, and to cross the Milky Way, fold it 83 times. Finally, 103 folds will get you to the diameter of the observable universe.